check out Samsung's new The Frame Pro. Now, you already may be familiar with Samsung's The Frame TV. It looks like art on the wall when it's not busy being a TV. The Frame Pro has two distinct differences going for it. One is this new Zero Connect box. That means that you can get your signal to the TV wirelessly just by wirelessly beaming from this box to the TV. Now, you don't have to use this Zero Connect box at all if you don't want to. Apps are built into the TV through the Tizen interface, as is the Art Store. So the TV can function entirely without any box whatsoever. But if you do want to connect yourself a Blu-ray player or a game console or something of that nature, it's going to be available to you. The tuner is also built into this box as well. So if you're going to use a live over-the-air television, you will need that Zero Connect box. The other thing that's interesting about this TV is that it is a mini LED TV now. However, it's edge-lit and edge-lit only across the bottom. That's an interesting choice. Normally, we would see a full array of mini LEDs along the backside of this panel, but instead, Samsung's gone with a strip of mini LEDs, very tiny little LEDs along the bottom of the TV, and then it uses a series of diffusers to spread that light across the entire rest of the television. Amazingly enough, it looks pretty bright and pretty even, and of course, it's going to work great in its art mode. That's the Frame Pro from Samsung at CES 2025.